guys, magandang araw. Ngayon mag-prepare tayo ng breakfast natin. Yan guys, ito. Sa ating mapanggatong na cartoon. The magic cartoon and paper ko guys. Ang dami guys. Ang dami. Yan guys, mag-prepare na tayo guys. Yan. Buhusan natin yan guys. Wala nang mga bawang at sibuyas guys. Yan na guys. Luluto na natin yan guys. Yan. Mekos-mekos lang yan guys. Mekos-mekos yan guys. Mekos-mekos lang yan guys. Mag-prepare tayo ng breakfast natin. Simple breakfast guys. The fastest breakfast on earth. Ito ang breakfast ko guys. The fastest breakfast on earth. Ano ba ito? Panggatong natin. Yan. Yan. Luto na yan guys. Luto na yan guys. Mekos-mekos na yan guys. Init-init na yan guys. Ang init. Mekos-mekos na yan guys. Yan. Tapos, ihanda na natin guys. Ano na to guys. May handa na tayong bread guys. Yan, bread yan guys. Kunti-kunti lang guys. Para marami ang makakain guys. Yan. Kunti-kunti lang. Mekos-mekos lang. Yan guys. Kunti-kunti lang yan guys. Para maraming makakain guys. Yan. Yan. At yan ang breakfast ko guys. Yan guys. Ang sarap niyan guys. Ito ang breakfast ko guys. The fastest breakfast on earth. Mekos-mekos na yan guys. Sarap-sarap na yan guys. Bread and corn beef. Corn beefy. Yan guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Like and share. And also watch my videos. In order to have more views. Thank you in advance guys. Babush. Yan guys, tingnan nyo guys. Maglalaway kayo guys. Oh. Ayan guys. Ang sarap niyan guys sa breakfast. Madali yan guys. Mekos-mekos lang ng konti guys. Breakfast na. Babush.